I've never done this before. It's called power washing. I don't think I've done it before, but that's another thing. So I've got to use this thing, if you can see it there. Oh, wow, look at that. Onto this thing. Look at that. Me, I've done that. Oh, I'm such a great sister. I'm not for hire. There's a leaf in my hair. Look at that. Anyway, guess what? It's time now for the Sylvia Power Wash tutorial. Easy, you plug it in here, you make sure your light, there it is, it's green. You come over here to the fancy dancy ladies hose. You turn it on. Oh geez, I'm getting split. Oh, power washer. It's fancy. Well, I better probably take this. Oh, I don't even know. It's squirting because the water's on. All right, we take that, we turn it on. Oh, woo! Oh, geez, I'm wet all over. All right, look at these leaves that fell. Tourstein. I've always wanted to write my initials. Hope you'll enjoy that tutorial because my hands are now vibrating and I'm wet from the waist down. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is damn slippery now. How do I get, oh geez.